Weather Service in Springfield has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern McDonald County in southwestern Missouri, Berry County in southwestern Missouri, until 11:15 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 10:33 p.m. Central Standard Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Gravette to near Hiawassee to near Springtown, moving northeast at 60 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Table Rock Lake, Roaring River State Park, Big Sugar Creek State Park, Casco, Noel, Shell Nub, Seligman, Pineville, Exeter, Wheaton, Butterfield, Washburn, Lanigan, Golden, Emerald Beach, Eagle Rock, Chino Lakes, Arrow Point, Jenkins, and Wayne. This includes Interstate 49 between mile markers 1 and 6. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.